Yo, 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 welcome back to another video on the Bonewater Partners channel. This is a start to finish video of Denby Dale. It's finally finished. Here it is. This was an old commercial shop front and uppers and is now a pristinely finished 7-bed HMO. This is an upper end design compared to some of our previous projects. We've done a full wrap-round white paint finish, give the property a facelift with the grey sills and lintels. We've done a load of masonry work along the side here to clean it up. We've added a fence around the front for privacy to those front 2 windows, and the whole thing on the exterior looks really nice and modern. So come inside and we'll go straight into the first bedroom.
So we're in Wakefield, and this is a part commercial to residential scheme. We had a commercial shop front and we had planning permission passed to change this to a 7-bed HMO.
This is one of the bigger rooms. So this is a nice double with the option to have dual occupant in here. And we've got our dress kit in from the agents. And this is the largest ensuite as well, with a 3-piece and a tiled finish. All the shower trays, we've targeted a minimum of 1200 by 800 millimeters, so that it gives that big open feel for any tenants in here. They feel like it's a real livable space and it's not too cramped. We've got our wardrobes, we've got our desks and chairs, double beds, bedside tables, wall lamps. It's a really nice finish. This is where our notice board's gonna go. Kitchen diners in there. And this is a hallway. This had to be put in for fire safety reasons, so the upstairs didn't escape for an open plan kitchen diner. One of the other downstairs bedrooms, this is the definite dual occupant room in here. We've got the king size bed, we've got the triple wardrobe behind here, and of course a nice big ensuite. And you can see these windows, we kept them really nice and big. In hindsight, maybe we should have made them a bit smaller, but we put the fence up anyway to add that privacy, so now it brings in loads of natural daylight. But this here was the old shop front to the Sashin stores, which was here for about 30 years. And it was this whole space here, and we've split it into 2 HMO rooms. And then upstairs, nothing much changed to the stairs other than we've just refurbed it, given it a nice lick of paint. New carpets. And you come to the right. Structurally, these have stayed much the same, but we've taken the breasts out with the gallows brackets in the attic holding the chimney pots up.
First half of the chimney stack's been taken out. But this process, again, it's about re-supporting the chimney from above. Once that's done, then ripping out the brickwork, and they'll get the steel brackets up there afterwards to keep the chimney up. That will give us all the space we need for our ensuite.
But then we've put in these ensuites in their place. Again, 1200 by 800 shower tray, a double room, kitted out with all the furniture. It's a really nice finish. And these kind of rooms will fetch 500 quid a month. Same in here, wardrobe, bed, furniture, and again, these really nice en-suites. I prefer this orientation. The shower space down the left, a bit of a wider room. It's easier to sort of operate in here compared to the narrow ones. But this was an old bedroom, and again, the breast has come out that was there, and now it looks much better. And this hallway had a suspended ceiling. We've taken that ceiling out, and we've given this space as much height as we can so that it feels nice and light and airy. And we've got a bit of a feature piece on that wall there with the mirrors to add a bit of depth here, make it less claustrophobic, because otherwise this is quite a narrow sort of space. And then through here is one of the smallest rooms. And again, another nice big ensuite in here. This was originally a bathroom that took up about that much more space in this bedroom, but we knocked it all through. We kept the breast that was there and obviously gave this room more space, so it now sits at around 9.5 square meters. And then we got a nice compact ensuite in there too. Through here is another bedroom. And again, this is one of the smaller rooms, but with a really nice ensuite. Get lots of nice natural daylight through here. This is one of my favorite ensuites in terms of the arrangement. We made a few mistakes on this one, and in the future we'll be putting USB sockets in all of our bedside points because it was just better for the modern day. People want to charge their phones. So now we'll head back downstairs. All of these walls that lead onto the communal corridors and between every bedroom are double insulated, they're fire lined. This property safe as houses, but also nice and acoustically insulated between each room so tenants don't get frustrated by hearing someone else's TV that's on. And this is the kitchen. So there used to be a big old wall here, and we've knocked it through, stuck in a massive RSJ through the ceiling. And now we've got this nice big open plan kitchen. Again, comes with an honour. We've got a utility space over here, and it's really livable. It's a really nice warm space. We were a bit worried halfway through the project as to how this space was going to turn out, because when you've got all the tools in here and obviously the laminate's not in and everything's still gutted, it's hard to exactly see what it's going to look like, and it's turned out really nice. It's a big space considering they get all the desk space as well. It's good. It's a good communal area, and obviously lots of natural daylight. We punched in another window here that wasn't here originally, just to make sure we've got all that daylight coming in, as well as the 3 lighting points. And we've got our TV, we got a 5 hob with a double oven, we've got 2 microwaves, 2 big Beckos, 1 big American style fridge freezer, 2 washer dryers, utility space. It's everything that these tenants will need and then some. And this is the last bedroom, good sized double, all the same furniture. You can see what that fence does. It provides that security and that privacy to the person in this room, so they're not walking butt naked out of the shower on show for everyone to see. This ain't Amsterdam, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, these rooms are really good offerings. I really like these ones at the front. And again, this was the old commercial shop front. That right there was the entrance to the shop front for about 30 years. And obviously we've bricked it all off now.
We're gonna brick this up. This was the front door to the shop. That's getting bricked up.
And it's completely different. And then obviously the ensuite as well. And that's the last bedroom with ensuite. So we'll go back into the kitchen and do a bit of a wrap up. So this project has taken about 5-6 months, but we had to deliberate on a few problems that arose because of COVID and delays with materials, and the windows were delayed. There's quite a few things that knocked us back, but fortunately, we've got it here. There's already, just from our preliminary marketing, we got 4 viewings booked in, and people saying, I really want those rooms. I want those rooms at the rates we've put them up for, which is 500 to 525 a room. So we're gonna let this super quick. Wakefield's a great area. We're gonna get good working professionals in here. And a massive thank you to Eric and his team at Fabicon. They were the principal contractors on this site, and Bartek, project manager as well. They've done bits. They've delivered a really nice high spec HMO, and it's been a pretty smooth ride. So thank you, Eric. And yeah, it's been a fun project. Thanks for watching. And if you want to see in more detail each stage of this development, we've got all those videos on our YouTube channel. And this is just a conclusive end video to compact all that information into one. But subscribe, leave a comment, show some love. We've got another 6 sites on the go at the moment, so there's loads of content comes to the YouTube channel. Appreciate you. Yada, yada, yada. Bing, bang, boom. Shadaba. Bing a ding.